Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Rob. Today we're going to be unboxing the Wave 3 mic and also the pop filter that goes with it and the shock mount that goes with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this mic here. All right. Now they have two versions. They have the Wave 3 and the Wave 1. One of the big differences in the Wave 3, you get 96 kilohertz versus 48 kilohertz for your audio. And you also get some on controls here to allow you to do some mixing and headset monitoring volume control. You don't get that with the Wave 1. And then instead of being able to click in the button to mute it, you have a soft touch mute on top. Other than that, let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right. Got a couple stickers here on the side, which I do appreciate. I don't like it when they put the sticker over here. It usually seems to get kind of hard to cut it open and sometimes get stuck in these cracks. All right, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. Looks like we have a box inside of a box. All right. Got a nice little design all over the edge of the box here. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right, looks like we got a instruction card here. Just kind of shows us how to set it up and what's the different ports are for. We got here. I'm guessing this is an accessory box. Salt. What we got here? It's our audio cable, USB-C. Looks like just your warranty booklet. See if there's anything else under here. Just some cardboard. All right, I would say it's packaged pretty nice. I do like the packaging. It's always nice when the packaging feels a little premium. The sticker's really on there. Here's our mic. And like I said, right here is the Wave 1. You don't get all these indicators here. You just have the basic button to control volume and then to click to mute. Around here you can click to change the different things you want to adjust. And also you have a mute up here. It's a nice soft touch so you don't hear that click. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other accessories we have for it here. Next we have the shock mount here. Looks like it comes with different screws there for different arms you might have to connect to. Now I'm using the Elgato arm here. There's another video on the channel showing me unboxing that one. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got here. Again, more stickers right here on the side, if I can actually get it in there. There we go. And never cut toward yourself, but I just always do it this way. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Usually try not to rip the box, but it happens. Pull arm here to pull it out. All right, here's our quick start guide. Right, here is our arm. Sorry, our shock mount. That sticker was a lot easier to get off. Good. And what this does is this helps when you bump your desk. Instead of the shock of that hard bump traveling all the way up the arm and then going right into here, what this will do is this has basically rubber bands here that absorb that shock and keep it from getting to the mic. All right, and one last thing here to open up. We have the pop filter. This will help with those P and T sounds, that sound you can get. Again, stickers on the side, very nice. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3 without actually ripping these. All right, there we go. Same thing, we've got our quick start guide for the pop filter. Right up. Go. Yeah, let's get the sticker out of there. Here we go. I think that looks pretty nice. Good, smooth. All right. We'll go ahead and get this all hooked up, and we'll be right back. All right, so we have everything hooked up now, and what you're hearing is through the new Elgato Wave 3. I did use it to replace this Blue Yeti here. So the video was recorded with this to begin with, but now we're recording through the Wave, so you can go back and forth to hear the difference. But as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and show it here. Got our mic all hooked up. There you go. Please like the video and subscribe if you did enjoy it, and see you in the next video. You have a good one.